is our bonfire
by Amy Tiani and
Lucia
Lucia.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube, you know.
Is it true that Jack's name? Do you know that the girls always have over and then
yeah.
So this is our bonfire. Go there.
As you can see.
Yeah.
Bonfire. Yeah.
Now come on, we can talk about this fire.
Calm down. Chill out.
It's fine.
Alright.
Everything's gonna be okay.
It's calming down. It's
Wait,
coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming. I can see Lucas in there.
Can
Can
you?
you see him? Oh, there's Richard and Sab in there. When we put them in before.
Are you meant to? Have you got issues?
Cooking them on the barbecue.
Richard getting wood.
This is Richard getting wood and Lucas Hobart over here getting some wood to put in the bonfire, as you can see. Come on, he's just throwing it in there. Throw it in, guys.
Sabrin Miskovich, our daddy.
Daddy. Come on, stop. I wouldn't know that.
Put it in, Richard.
This is sad.
So why can't I?
You are invited to join me in us.
Anything you can do, I can do better. If you don't like that, better put it in a letter.
I'm putting this on YouTube, you know. Such a clown, right?
That we know though, right?
What?
Nobody can see that we know.
No, only random people.
Okay, I'm putting this on now.
Everyone in the whole wide world can see it.
If they search it up. Or go on Richard's channel. What did they get? You got a table?
Right in the middle there. You have to help us, you know. Get some chairs, get some chairs to sit on. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why did you do it this way towards the tree, man? Are you stupid? Turn it around this way.
Wait, I'm doing something now. I'm in the spotlight.
Ah, man. Take a picture like that. Oh, watch out!
But what? Turn it around.
Don't burn your hands, man.
We wake up the neighbour.
Put it in.
And girl, you're all I need. And I'm all.
A bit more. Put it in, Richard.
Let me push it in.
Miss ya, baby.
Let him push it in.
Can you get a picture, please?
I'm recording, so anyways. Okay, get off.
Yeah.
Richard, do it now.
Fine, Richard, fine.
Just push it in. More.
Go on.
Same. I'm gonna stink of it so badly. You know what?